Making deposits in Bitcoin. To begin, log into your personal area at Exness.com and make sure your account has been fully verified. You will see a Bitcoin account in the main section of your personal area. It is a non-trading account created for making fast and easy deposits and withdrawals. To deposit funds to your Exness Bitcoin account, click Make Deposit. Copy your Exness Bitcoin account address or simply scan the QR code with the Bitcoin wallet app you are using. In your Bitcoin wallet app, fill in your Exness Bitcoin account address. Deposit amount. You can deposit as much as you need, and we do not have minimum deposit requirements. And fee. To make the confirmation process faster, we recommend you choose the maximum required commission. Please note that we do not compensate fees. Double-check all the data and send the payment. The funds will be credited to your Exness Bitcoin account when the transaction is confirmed by up to 6 blocks in the blockchain, which usually takes around an hour. You can always check your Bitcoin transaction status in the Bitcoin wallet app or in any publicly available transaction tracker. Once the transaction has been completed, you will see the updated balance on your Exness Bitcoin account. To be able to trade, you'll need to internally transfer money from your Exness Bitcoin account to your trading account. To do that, click Transfer. Choose the trading account you would like to send money to and indicate the transfer amount in Bitcoin. The minimum amount of Bitcoin you can transfer should have a value of more than $1. Click Transfer. Review the transaction details and confirm the operation by a verification code, which will be sent to you either by SMS or email, depending on your personal area security type. Click Confirm Withdrawal. That's it. Now you know how to deposit Bitcoin. Thank you for choosing Exness.